Hi, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today's game is called What Would You Do? In this game, we're practicing conditional sentences. In this case, conditional questions. Like, what would you do if blah, blah, blah. How I play this game is I'll have one or two students step outside so that they're not aware of the question that I'm going to ask. The remaining students are going to come up with an answer to the question that I say. Something like, what would you do if you found a wallet full of money on the ground? They will say their answer. I would turn it into the police, or I would take the money out and keep the money. And then I'll erase the question from the board and invite those students to come back inside, and then they can choose one at a time. I want to hear from David. David will say his answer only. I would take the money and run. And then, oh, do you know this situation? Or do you know the question, the original question? Maybe not yet. Then the other student would say, I want to hear from Dustin. Dustin said, I would turn it into the police. At some point after they've heard multiple answers to the question, one of the students will find out, oh, I think it's probably talking about a wallet. So maybe what would you do if you found money on the road? Something like this. Then as long as they're close, I would award that student a point or whatever it is. But we're going to play an example of this, and I have some people, not enough to come up with a bunch of different answers, but I'll play the role of multiple students in this case. Okay, so here is our conditional sentence, and we're going to think of answers. Normally I would have the students stand up and they need to say their answer, and I would fix any grammatical mistakes that they have in their answer. And so what they're doing is preparing an answer for the two who are outside. Right now, David and Jimena, they're outside, and Dustin and I are going to think of different answers for this. But for the game in the class, each student must only think of one answer. But it's important that they have different answers from each other. So if everybody says the same thing, it's much more difficult to guess. So we're going to think of different answers. This should be something that we can do on the fly. But the students need some time to prepare. So the next step is, everybody's answered, great, good. I'm going to erase the question and invite the students to come back inside. Okay, so we'll have the two students come to the front. I'll step out of the frame, and then Dustin and I will give you clues as to what the situation was. How I play the game, though, is that, I don't know, we need a way to find out who goes first. Ladies first, how about that?
Okay.
I was ready to beat you.
And you would choose, if this was a class full of your peers, other students, you would choose someone that you think has a good idea for their thing. So, there's two of us, right?
All right, Carson.
I would call out for someone to help me.
Okay.
And then me, the teacher, I would say, do you have any idea yet about this situation? And you can guess. There's no wrong minus points for having a wrong answer.
Okay. I think it's, what would you do if you fell in a hole?
It's a good guess, but it's not right. Okay, so David's turn.
Okay, so I'm going to ask the only other student left here, Dustin. What would you do?
I would use my socks.
It's a good answer, and a very telling answer.
I would use my socks. I've got a dirty answer. What would you do?
Okay, so we can guess however many times we want.
Okay.
It's David's
My
turn,
turn,
so
yes.
if you think you know what it is, then
So
he has
Dustin
the
would
time.
use his socks, and Carson would cry out for help.
5, 4, 3.
If
2.
you sprained your wrist, if I sprained my wrist, I would use my sock to
That's a good guess too, but it's not right. So then it would go back to Jimena, and I'll just give you another clue. I have used my receipts to solve this problem.
Okay, what would you do if you ran out of toilet paper?
That is right. Right enough. If you were in a public toilet and you didn't have any tissue
dude,
paper.
I wouldn't do any of that stuff. I just walk out just like, ooh, I'm dirty.
Anyway, that's the game. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.
All right, cool.